everybody, it's Sienna. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing another SHEIN haul and I'm going to show you some really cute items that I got. So let's go see them. And of course I'm trying to pair them together. I don't know how many I have here, but there's a lot, so keep on watching. And so this one, I got this really cute long sleeve, I guess you call it like plaid, but it really gives me like a Christmas vibe. It's a red and black like mock neck long sleeve, even though the sleeves aren't very long, but also I guess those are still considered as long sleeves, so that's what I'm gonna call it. And then this black pleather skirt with a zipper, and of course the zipper zips all the way down, so but I also like the way they put the zipper on with this cute little hoop thing, if that makes sense. And then I paired it with this this black bag or handbag or a shoulder bag, whatever you want to call it. But I really like this outfit because the skirt, it fits perfectly to me. And usually when I get skirts, they usually fit a bit loose or a bit too tight, but this one it fits just fine. And of course there's just a little bit of room, which is fine, because if I want to tuck in a shirt like this shirt, I have it tucked in because it is a longer shirt, but I think it looks nice tucked in, but it really fills it out a bit more, which is perfect. And this shirt, I mean, I really love the look at it, the look of it, but I kind of wish the sleeves are a bit longer, but that's fine, because if you want to wear it in the winter, I feel oh, this would be really cute with black not leggings, tights underneath it, and a little black tube maybe. I don't know, I'm planning for winter, it's fall, but I really love this one. And on to the next one. So the next two items, I got this really adorable purple tie-dye type of top, except it's not very visible tie-dye, but it's a tank top. And it does have this weird kind of hem at the bottom, it kind of looks like you took a pair of scissors and just chopped it however you want. But I guess that's how some tops look, but I actually really like it. It's different from usual tops, it's unique. And the skirt is this really adorable denim jean skirt, but it's not just plain denim, it's a tie-dye jean skirt. I've never heard of those before, but it has this blackish kind of grayish color, this neon yellow, which I have a top that matches that exact color, which would be a really cute outfit actually. And then this really cute purple, which actually matches this top. What a coincidence. But they're the skirt, I suggest you size down, because I got a size small, but it kind of fits a medium on me, because it's not I usually wear my skirts high-waisted, of course, if I'm wearing a shorter top, and it does have a lot of space, so I can grow into it, I guess. And the length is perfect though. It's just a couple inches above the knee, so it's not too short, so you don't have to worry about that. But I really love the look of it. This shirt is literally the comfiest shirt I've ever worn. So it's this really cute oversized tee, and it's in a size small, but also it's oversized because and it has this really cool print, which I've never seen. It's kind of like a graffiti almost, but it's in a bunch of different colors, purple, blue, yellow, green, red, black, a lot of colors, and it's super long. Wait, hold on. Just wait. I have a really good idea for this. Also, I'm wearing shorts underneath because, of course, if you want to do an oversized t-shirt look, it's best to wear either biker shorts or a pair of short shorts, or whatever you want to call them. Okay. So this shirt is long enough that I can make it into a t-shirt dress, which is a super comfy thing to do, because you can take comfort but then mix it with a little bit of fashion. And of course, to make it like even better, you can roll up the sleeves. If I can do that. And you know, because the sleeves are a bit long, so of course rolling them up will really pull it all together, and then pull it down a bit, and you have this really nice looking, oh, came unrolled, this really nice looking t-shirt dress. And of course it's a different like kind of t-shirt dress, because usually wear like plain t-shirts, but this one, it's different, like very unique, very cool. And you know, this would be perfect to wear like for a streetwear thing, like. And of course, you know, if you take off the belt, which goes back to a regular t-shirt, which is perfect for like at home lounging around, but the belt really changes everything, even though it's very minor difference. I love this skirt so much. Okay, it's this really cute denim skirt, but it's not just like any regular denim skirt. It's like really different, and it's, well, first off, it's acid. Did I say that right? Acid washed. I think that's the word for it. And it's like half like a light denim, and then like half this like darker shade of denim, which I find really cute, because you know, that just opens it up to a bunch of more like different like outfits you can make with it. And this one is super different because it also has like this belt thing. So if you know, if your jean, like usually when I buy jean skirts, like I said before, they don't really fit me perfectly, or like any skirt in general. This one, like you can tighten it as tight as you want, so it can fit like perfectly to your waist. And it has like belt loops, so of course it could be like a belt like around you, but I do wish there was like one more, because like then you just have this little thing that's just there. But it does have pockets, so still love it. And then this top, it is a tank top, but it's more of a square neckline, which I don't wear a lot of square necklines, but you know, I'm trying to get into that a bit more. But I really love how it fits me. It is a bit see-through, so you know, gotta keep that in mind. And it does cut a little low, but of course, I don't know if you can like push them together somehow. It is like a wire, but you know, for me, I just wore a top underneath, so it wouldn't like show anything. And it is a bit on the shorter side, so I suggest, like, of course, not like I meant not drying it in a dryer, hang drying, because it might shrink. You know, just gotta be mindful of that. And then together these look really nice, and I believe the skirt is a size small, and the top is also a size small. But of course, if you want a longer top, I suggest going like a size up, so like a medium. Or for the skirt, it's also like the perfect length, so you know, you don't really have to worry about that. But it's super comfy skirt, super comfy top. I 100% recommend them, because I really love this look in general. So, you know, it's only one item, and it's just really adorable. I think this is like a plaid kind of look. This blue, red, green, white, and like black top, and it's super cute. I really love the color of the blue that they chose for this top, and it's like a royal blue, if you want to call it that. But I really love this color, because it's not too dark, but it's also not too light, so it's like just in between like what I like. And then just the other colors really add something to it. And I wore it with, of course, a long sleeve underneath, just so it wouldn't be as plain, and then a black skirt, which it just really looks really good together. But the one thing about this top though, the straps, they are not adjustable, and they're like a really odd material. They're kind of like rope almost, but not, I don't know what material it is, but they are a bit loose on you, because like they slide down super easily. So I suggest sizing down if you can, because this is a size, I believe it's either a small or extra small, so you know, there's nothing else you can do with that. But you know, you can work with it. You just gotta pull them up a lot, but it still really looks cute, and I just really love this top. This dress is super cute. Like, I can't even explain it. Like, usually I'm not like too much of a fan of cheetah print, but this pink color, I don't know what it is, it just makes it look so much better than I thought it would. And then it has a little slit at the side, so you know, be mindful of that. It does go up pretty high, so you've got to watch out for that. But either way, it looks really cute still, and it's also a cami dress, you know. It has adjustable straps, which is perfect, because you know, some people have like, I guess, longer or shoulders, if that makes, wait, does that make sense? It makes sense. And so, you know, you can adjust it to however long or short you want it to be. And of course, I have this little cardigan over top just to add a little something, and then this white belt because it does fit a bit weird, but you know, adding a belt makes everything, I guess, better in my case. But when we take this off, now we have this really cute summer look. So, you know, you can go from fall to summer really fast. I feel like I'm missing something. Just to accessorize it a little bit more, I have this really cute bubblegum pink handbag. Of course, if you wear it however you want, like over your shoulder. But I really love how it like matches. You see, it kind of matches the color of the dress. Really love it. And I could like see myself wearing this like on a vacation with like a big white sun hat and like a little pair of white glasses, just like walking down the beach. You know? You see what I'm seeing? Yeah. Anyway, but it's this really adorable denim skirt, but it's not just like a plain denim, but it's, how do I explain it? It's just, I'm at a loss for words how good it looks. It's this denim skirt, and like, it has these pearls aligning the bottom of it. The cut is like super different from how I usually do. It goes like short, but then it goes long down the side until it gets to the back, and then it goes back to being super short, which I really love. And it's kind of like a surplice kind of cut where it goes like under and then like over top, which is also really cute. And then it has like little rips everywhere. There's just like so much going on. And of course it has pockets that actually work, and like I can put actual things in here. And then it has back pockets too for extra space. One downside of it though is it is big on me, and this is a size small, so I suggest sizing down a bit, because like, I mean, look at it. But of course, to make it better, just grab a belt, because belts always make everything better. They really help out when you have something too big. So, you know, I always suggest getting some very plain belts. And of course, they can even be like easy basic pieces to pair with things. If you want to accessorize, they're super easy accessories, and like you can find them for super affordable prices on like websites. Whoa, what did I do? Okay, fixed it. Wait, yes I did. Okay, and so I'm just gonna tighten it a bit. Oh, also forgot to tell you about the top. The top is this really cute spaghetti strap top, and it is a bit on the longer side, so you know, I like tied it up and tucked it in at the back. And also it is a v-neck top, but it's a super kind of low cut, as you can see here. So I just put on my white cami top underneath now, so I won't have to show anything. And here, I'll show you guys the real length. So it is a bit on the longer side, but of course if you want to, you can like tuck it in, or you know how I did, tie it up, or just like leave it down if you want a more kind of comfy kind of look. Yeah, looks pretty great. This one is a set, as you can see, and it's this really cute like black set, but with little daisies. Are these daisies? Some sort of flower. And it's really pretty. I really love the look of the flower. And they match like really well together. And the skirt, okay, I'm a size 23 waist, like I said before, and the skirt does fit super big on me, so I had to pin it, so you know, don't mind that. But like, other than that, if you can, like size down, but you know, it's super cute, like overall. And the top is super nice. The top is like super different too, because I mean, look at it. See it? It has like an open shoulder here, and then like one sleeve here, but then it has like the collar or neck part around, so it's really different. But I think it's like a cool type of look compared to like other tops with the plain 2 sleeves, because I know, like, you mean, like, who does that? I do that. But also, one thing I really love about the skirt, you see these? These aren't just decorations. These actually function. And it's in a super cool way too. So, these are like ties that you can make the skirt longer. And it gets like really long. So you can make it like super long. Like, see, now it's almost like down to my knees. Or if you want, you can make it like shorter. And I always go like middle length between that. And it also does this cool like this really cool ruching, is that what it's called, effect. And I think it really adds something. And of course you can tie it in little bows if you want, which I really love bows, so you know, that's what I'm gonna do. And of course it's perfect if you know, sometimes when you buy a skirt, it comes in like shorter, but this one, it comes in short, but you can make it long. So it's perfect for, of course, me, because usually I don't like wearing too short of skirts, so let's tie this one. Okay. Yeah, but I really love this set. I don't wear too many sets because, like, of course, it's not summer anymore, but this one would be perfect. What was that in English? This one would be perfect for fall because it is like a short sleeve instead of just a tank top and a plain, like, mini skirt. But super different, super simple, yet super cute. Love it. So thank you so much for watching my video, and if you guys have any suggestions for any further videos, you can comment them down below. And thank you so much for all your guys' support. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you in my next video.